Good afternoon. So today our group, we are from group 20. So today we're going to present about our project, where we are going to plot the assignment 1, assignment 2 in Java programming. So now we are going to show the assignment where we are plot the EID table. So this is our EID table with the relation schema. So second one is our assignment 2 where we plot our unnormalization form. First normalization form, second normalization form, and third normalization form. So now we are going to explain about our coding. So first we are creating table in PG admin 4. So we already created the database which is practicum. Now we are seeing the Java coding about the creating table. So now we are already import the Java SQL and connection and driver manager. So now we have to make a connection to Java driver to the PG admin. So we made a connection to this coding. This coding. So we already insert the name of database from the PG admin, where is the predicum, and after we click the run button, it will create a message which is open data successfully. So now we are creating table for student. Creative where is have attributes, metric number, as name, organization, semester, and section, and we have a data type. So next we are creating table for cost, and we have two variable name which is cost id and cost name, and the data type for cost id is char and cost name is text. Update the creating table by uh, execute this coding which is stmt execute update PRAK01. So now we are creating a table for employee table evolution criteria. So we have a employee reference name and E section, E section AA, E section AB, E section B, E section BC, E section BD, E section C, E section C2, E section C3, E section 4, and we declare the data type for each variable name. So we are creating table for PRAK02, which have PRAK02 and instructor ID, instructor date, and instructor name as a variable number, and the data type is declared for each variable names, and it's declared with an instructor ID declared as a prime key, and each variable is declared as a not null. So it means we cannot have a zero value for each. We have to insert at this one data, and we have STM execute updates. It will update the PRAK02 into the Java tables. So next we have a string uh, instructor table evolution criteria. So we are creating table for instructor table evolution criteria. So we have list down variable and data type for each. So instructor ref name f data type char and is declared as not null, and we have I section A int, I section AB data type is int, I section AB is data type is int, and I section B int, I section BC is int, and I section B is int. I section B is I section BF, I section BG, I section C, I section CH, I section C1, and CI, I section CJ, I section CX, data type which is int. So we have to update the I tabulation criteria by including this Java code which is stmt execute update. So we have to close the stmt with close, and we have to close the C connection, and we have to have a try and catch error, and it will print out table created successfully if we execute the run. So now we are going to run. So it show we have the runs output show that we already opened database successfully and table created successfully. So we are going to pgadmin to check whether the table is created or not. So we can see the table is already created. So we test it through the query tools. So we are going to type the SQL command to print the whether to check the table is created or not. As we can see that the table is created, but we haven't insert the value. So now we are going to insert the value in Java.
Okay, now I will explain insert table. Okay, this is coding for insert table. So we insert from student, metric number, metric no, as name, organization, semester, season, and we put the value. We input two of data student. This is the data or the value. Next, we insert two course, course ID and course name. Value STIX 3912 and practicum. For PRAK 01, we insert PRAK 01, employee ID, employee name, employee date, and this is two of values in PRAK 01. Next is e-table evaluation criteria. We insert employee ref no, E section A, E section AA, E section AB, E section B, E section BC, E section BD, E section C, E section C2, E section EC3, E section C4. This is the value of mark. So this is the mark, and next is e-table evaluation criteria in PRAK 02. So in PRAK 02 have instructor ID, instructor date, and instructor name, and this is the values, two of value. Next is I-table evaluation criteria. Have instruction ref no. So have instruction A, B until I section CK. So this is the value. And now if the record is insert, we then pop up record create successfully. So we run. So the database successfully, record created successfully. So we see the pgadmin. Now we run. So you see the data in pgadmin.
This is a select table. We have select from student. This is the data, and select from course, and this data, and we also have select from PRAK 01, and this data, and we also have select from e-table e-table evaluation criteria, which this is the data of that, and this is select from PRAK02, and this is the data, and this is select from table evaluation criteria, and the data is below. And when we run, this is the output. Wait. Okay, this is output. The open database successfully, and this is the data, the output. Operation done successfully.
Okay, next we want to update this row. Number metric 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We want to update the session. This is 2017, 2018. Okay. Update table. This is a coding. Okay. We want to update this for session 2016, 2017. Okay. We want to select from student. About metric number is the same one. And okay. We run. Okay, successful. And we go to PGadmin. We run again. Okay, this is we update the session 2018, 2016 and 2017. Okay.
Next, I will explain about delete. So for the deletion is we want to delete the metric number 234567. This data will be deleted from the table. So this is the Java coding for the delete. So we delete from student where metric number is 234567, and we select from student table, and then we run. Okay, it will pop up operation done successfully, and then we go to pgadmin and then run. It will have one data for in the table.